Okay, let's also bring on board Pranay then to talk about all the stocks which are going to be in news this Monday morning. Pranay?
Good morning, Aisha. Keep an eye on Tata Steel, where agency reports suggest that the company is in talks with banks for about $3 billion loan facility, which will be raised through different currencies but largely in dollars over a 5 to 7 year tenure period. And this is largely going to be used to refinance its chorus debt, which had been used for its acquisition of nearly $12.9 billion in 2007. Another one is Power Grid, where the company has sought shareholder approval to raise about 13,500 crores this fiscal through private placement of bonds, which will be both secured and unsecured, and it is likely going to happen through 8 tranches over this fiscal to institutional investors. Next one is JK Cement, where the board has approved long-term fundraising of about 300 crore rupees via QIP or warrants, which will be on a preferential basis again, and that will be alongside of a green shoe option, which will be put to vote by the shareholders in the forthcoming AGM next month. Future Lifestyle Fashions is another one which is down about 6% in trade on Friday, and the company has allotted about 1.55 crore shares, which is a little over 9% stake to PI Opportunities Fund at about 80.5 rupees per share, which is nearly a 14% discount to Friday's closing price. TCS had conducted its analyst con call, and some of the key takeaways were that the company has reiterated that FY15 growth will be stronger than FY14, and the first half growth will again be stronger than the second half of the fiscal. Geographically, Europe remains strong, but India is likely to report flat figures for the first quarter. Dollar reported revenue growth is likely to show about 50 basis point cross-currency impact, as a result of which the margins in the first quarter are likely to decline because of currency as well as wage hikes. But the target EBIT or the operational profit margin for FY15 remains unchanged between 26 to 28%, and Japan's JB will become accretive from the second quarter of this fiscal. Lastly, Bharti and Infratel is another one where newspaper reports indicate that the company is looking to buy its parent Bharti Airtel's towers in Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, and it may also consider buying towers on sale, if at all, of Vodafone and Idea in India, which is largely to strengthen its footprint, where telcos are looking to tap in business from the data boom going forward.